Hi guys, so I'm going to be teaching you how to make squishy clay. And so what you're going to need is something to hold it in. And here, I'm just using this. I got it at Walmart. You're going to need some water, which I'm going to set that down here because I don't want to spill my hot dog. A spoon and a bowl, 1 cup of flour, a half a cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil or canola oil. Canola oil actually makes it stay moist and squishy longer, so that's why I use it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the 1 cup of flour and put it in there. And I'm just going to flatten it out because I don't know, it just makes it easier. And then I just pour half a cup of salt in there. I know that is a lot of salt, but you can get like a lot of salt for like 68 cents at Safeway or whatever. Then what I'm going to do is you're going to mix it up before you put any water or anything in it. Just so it's mixed up. Now, sorry, I'm like right in between a plant and it's weird. Take your oil. I do not like the smell of this, but I'm going to do it over here. 1 tablespoon of oil. You might want a napkin. Then, there isn't any specific water amount, just until you think it's good. And you see how it has like a little specks? You really want to just make that into a bowl. Bowl? It sounds weird now I said that. A little bit more water. You just gotta keep on doing this until your whole clay turns into a ball. Or till, yeah, you turn it into a ball. Keep on adding water, and you are gonna get dirty when you do this. And you don't have to take all of your clay, like this. You're gonna want to start working it in with your hands. And then see how it has this? Gonna need to just a little bit of water, and I mix it with my hands at that point. But yeah. I'm gonna get a napkin. I swear, I'll be back in like 5 seconds. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Just had to get this towel. I'm inside my garage because I'm outside. Yeah. Ooh. Just keep mixing it, and then I just go like this. Then you're gonna have clay. This can also be a type of air dry clay. I mean, not air dry clay, oven baked clay. But yeah. So then you would just, oh, that makes it look brown here. I'm gonna take the rest of this and just put it on the ground. Whatever you guys are doing at. You can color this to make it like a brown color. The next thing you guys need to do is knead it. And if you think it's still too wet, oh my god, there is a spider. Oh Jesus. Okay then. It's just being weird, so I'm just not even gonna bother. So yeah, you're just gonna wanna do that. It's freaking me out. It's making a web. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna move you guys because this thing is being weird. Okay, let's move it to the grass. What the heck? I swear that was probably wet. Here, I'm gonna set you guys back in my mom's car. Okay. Then you're just gonna wanna just keep on kneading. Sorry, I feel like there's bugs all over me now. And once you get it to a point, ow! Sorry. Or you can do this, like that. Now I'm gonna go get my storage container. I'm sorry, this video is gonna be long. Okay, so just kind of knead it. Then, this is a fail. Take your storage container, put it in there, and then I let it sit for about an hour so it can like settle down. I don't know. Okay, and then yeah, so thank you guys for watching. That is how to make squishy clay, and you can make squishy buns, squishy donuts, anything. You guys for watching. Bye.